How to add an emergency contact on Android lock screen. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily add an emergency contact on your Android lock screen. So let's say if somehow your phone gets lost, well, I hope that never happens, but just in case, if your phone gets lost and someone finds it, but they are going to have no way to contact you. In that case, adding a emergency contact on your lock screen can be really helpful so that they can contact you on the emergency contact. So in order to set that up, you first have to go to your settings menu, and from your settings, it might be a bit different depending on the device you have, but on a Samsung device, you can just scroll down and find lock screen and AOD. Go ahead and click on the lock screen option. And then right below here, you'll find contact information. Just tap on it. So as you can see here, it can show contact information such as your phone number or email address on the lock screen. So you can be contacted if you lose your phone. So let me just go ahead and quickly add my contact email right over here and then tap on done. Now once you add your contact info, it's going to show you, so I'll just quickly show you guys how it's going to look on the lock screen. So here I have my lock screen, and on the lock screen right above my fingerprint, it's gonna show me my contact info. And that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.